Welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some commonly used words. You will see that learning to read and write is easy if you follow these steps. Look at the shape of each word. Listen how to say each word. Learn how to spell each word. Let's get started. Many, 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 many. Then, 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 then. Them, 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 them. These, 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 these. So, 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 so. To learn the sounds of the letters in the alphabet, click the link in the description for my alphabet videos. Now let's use each word in a sentence. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? How many miles did you run? How many miles did you run? Relax, then stretch again. Relax, then stretch again. Listen and then repeat. Listen and then repeat. We beat them at basketball. We beat them at basketball. She followed them around. She followed them around. These men work very hard. These men work very hard. These peaches look sweet. These peaches look sweet. You are looking so tired. You are looking so tired. It was so cold yesterday. It was so cold yesterday. Now let's review. Many. How many children do you have? How many miles did you run? Then, relax, then stretch again. Listen and then repeat. Them. We beat them at basketball. She followed them around. These men work very hard. These peaches look sweet. So, you are looking so tired. It was so cold yesterday. Remember, practice makes perfect. So use these words to make your own sentences. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.